A massive fire has broken out at a newborn baby care hospital in Vivek Vihar. It happened late last night. 12 children were rescued, of which 7 died. 5 children are now admitted to another hospital. The children were admitted to East Delhi Advanced Care Hospital. As per the fire officer, the fire was extinguished completely. 12 babies were rescued and taken to the hospital. According to Delhi Fire Department, 12 children were rescued from the first floor. The reason for the fire is not known yet. There was a building next to it that was also engulfed in flames, but there was no damage there. A total of 16 fire vehicles were at the spot during the night. It broke out around 11:30 p.m. yesterday and was brought under control in about 50 minutes. Delhi CM says that the culprits will not be spared. There are reactions coming in, other reactions coming in as well. President Murmu said hospital tragedy is heart-wrenching. The children's hospital owner has been booked. Police has lodged FIR under section 336 and 304A of IPC. Let's listen into some of the reactions.
ये बहुत कमनसीब और बहुत दुखद घटना हुई है। उसकी पूरी इंक्वायरी के लिए एक सीट जो बनाई है, उसमें हमारे साथ डायरेक्टर FSL संघवी साहब, मैं, फायर के कुछ ऑफिसर्स, उन सबकी एक सीट है जो अभी शुरू से काम करेगी। कौन जिम्मेदार है, क्या गलतियां हुई है, फ्यूचर में ऐसा बनाव नहीं बने, उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, ये सारी चीजों को हम पूरी तह तक जाके उसकी पूरी तहकीकात करेंगे।
देखिए, सुबह मैं मॉर्निंग वॉक पे निकला तो मीडिया के ज़रिए मुझे जानकारी मिली और मैं वहीं से सीधा यहाँ पे घटनास्थल पे आया। मेरी फायर डिपार्टमेंट के हेड से बात हुई और उन्हें बताया कि उनका अंदाज़ा है कि शायद शॉर्ट सर्किट की वजह से आग लगी और क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर इसके अंदर थे तो ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर ब्लास्ट होने की वजह से ये आग काफ़ी बढ़ गई।
I have a nearby citizen with me over here. जी, आपका नाम?
रवि वर्मा।
ये क्या सिलेंडर यहाँ पर इतने क्यों थे, आपको क्या पता है यहाँ के बारे में, क्या हुआ था?
देखिए, ये मैं इसको बहुत ही अनहोनी बताऊंगा और इसका पूरे का पूरा जिम्मेवार जो यहाँ चला रहा है वो होगा, क्योंकि इतनी सक्रिय जगह में, इतने छोटे से जगह में इतने बच्चों को रखना और बड़े बेताबी तरीके से रखना। और आपको ये जानकर हैरानी होगी कि इस रोड के ऊपर ये गैस सिलेंडरों का आदान प्रदान होता था, रोज़ ही ट्रैफिक भी जाम होता था, लोग परेशान होते थे। कई बार शिकायत भी करी लेकिन कोई भी इनके ऊपर नहीं हुई। पहले ये कहीं और था, उसको शिफ्ट करके वहाँ भी ऐसे ही था तो वो शिफ्ट करके यहाँ लेके आया और बहुत ही दर्दनाक हादसा था ये रात। यहाँ पे जैसे चीखें निकल रही थी रात, मैंने खुद अपनी आंखों से देखा तो बड़ा भयानक हादसा था।
और उसके बाद आपको क्या, आप यहाँ पर उस वक्त मौजूद थे रात के समय में?
हाँ,
क्या आपने और देखा यहाँ पर, बच्चों को कब बाहर निकाला गया?
यहाँ कोई जिम्मेवार आदमी था ही नहीं, मेरे को लगता है कोई यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं था, ना ही ऐसी कोई सेफ्टी थी, ना ही कोई ऐसे जो पता नहीं कैसे MCD ने परमिशन दी थी, कैसे फायर ब्रिगेड ने परमिशन दी थी। और इतने सक्रिय जगह पर यहाँ पर कि कोई ना आ सकता है ना भाग सकता किसी हादसे में, और वैसा ही हुआ। इसी कारण से भी हादसे ने इतना विकराल रूप ले लिया कि मासूम बच्चों की जानें यहाँ गई हैं, जो बहुत ही दर्दनाक है।
What a tragedy there. Young lives lost due to fire in this hospital. Tanushka Datta, my colleague, joins me from the spot. Tanushka, do we know what is the situation of the other 5 babies who've been who were rescued and taken to another hospital?
Right, so the other 5 babies who've been taken to another hospital in the area are still under treatment. That's what we know. They suffered minor injuries, but I am standing right at the site of the tragic incident. As you can see, nothing is left. Nothing is left of this building. Everything has been charred and engulfed by the flames. As you can see, there are a ton of oxygen cylinders here. So as locals suggest that oxygen cylinders burst open when the fire erupted, and these cylinders also flew off and splattered off to other parts of the road. So locals here suggest that this might be the cause of the fire. However, it is yet to be ascertained by officials. As you can see on the first floor upstairs, the babies were kept. This is not a hospital setup, as you can see. It was a baby care unit, and what the locals complain of is how were so many cylinders and babies allowed to be kept in a setup like this. The first floor is where the babies were, and 12 babies were rescued, out of which 7 infants have passed away in this very tragic incident. And what the Delhi police says is that they have filed an FIR against the owner of this baby care unit. His name is Naveen Kichi, and so appropriate legal action is being taken. The ambulance here is
Tanushka, just bear with us. Tanushka, just bear with us. We will come back to you for more on that story. Let me go over to Director of Delhi Fire Services, Atul Garg. There, sir, thank you very, very much for joining us on broadcast. We are showing our viewers the pictures of the baby care unit that went up in flames last night. Please tell us if it had required permissions to operate, and when you went there, did you find proper entries and exits?
See, this was not having the proper exit and entry, and as per our record, no permission was granted by my department, as far as I am concerned.
And so have you managed to nab people who violated something as grave as this, not taking fire safety measures?
Madam, first priority was that to how to rescue the people and fight the fire, which we did. Unfortunately, 6 people have died. Now we will take action as per the law. Whatever action is required from the part of DFS, we will take the action. There is no question of leaving somebody or somebody else. I have been informed that police have been already taking action and fire has been launched. That is a proper, what you call it, proper procedure. As far as my department is concerned, definitely will take the action as per the law.
Mr. Garg, we are talking about the infants who have died. What about the parents? There must have been other adults, doctors, nurses inside this facility. What about them? Do we know anything about them? If anyone has been injured, has been suffocated inside that building?
See, I will tell you a little bit detail of this. We got a call around 11:32, and there was a blast of cylinder. There were approximately 5 cylinders got blasted, and because of this, the whole building was involved in the fire. We made 2 teams. One team is to fight the fire, contain the fire, and our priority was to rescue the baby, newborn baby. 12 baby were rescued from a window, and other team started fighting the fire. At the time of fighting the fire, we did not find anybody from the hospital who can guide us, who can tell us how many children were there or how many more are there. So we have to take a search operation twice because they are so small. It's a 10-year-old, 15-year-old, 15-year-old babies. So at that time it was very, very unfortunate in saying that nobody was there to guide us. Nobody was found, no nurses. My team could not find them.
So you are saying that everyone left them and went out?
It seems to be. It seems to be because I was asking for my team that please find out you have rescued already 12 people, 12 babies. And how many are there? Can you have a number of this? So nobody was there to inform us how many babies are there, how many have been left. So we have to take rescue search operation twice and thrice. Then only we came to know only 12 were there and all have been removed from from the nursing home, safely placed to the hospital.
Sir, were all the babies in one floor, or they were in different floors, and have things all been brought under control in all the different floors that people may have been?
Yeah, fire was controlled because the initial fire was very, very big because of the blast of cylinder. fire, whole building was in the fire. That's why we took the, from the nearby building, then we went through the window, and from the window, all babies were rescued, not from the main staircase, because whole building was in the fire. But fire was, initially it was big, but later on we have controlled very fast.
I think it's an interesting information that you've given our viewers, that the babies were not rescued through the main entry or exit, but through the windows. And finally, tell us, did you find out the main reason why there was this fire?
See, so far no, because due to blast, whole building was in fire. So we could not find out. Right now we are searching it, what was the reason of this, but so far we cannot surely say what was the reason of fire.
Thank you very much, Mr. Garg, for talking to us and getting us all those details in the operations to take out 12 babies from inside the hospital that was on fire last night. Let me go over to my colleague Tanushka, who's at the spot. Tanushka, what we understand from Director Delhi Fire Services is that they managed to rescue 12 babies, and interestingly they were brought out from the window. Have you managed to speak to any of the parents? Where are the families, and where were they last night?
That's what the Delhi Fire Services says, but however the locals here say that they were the ones who rescued the babies from the building while it was on fire. I'm joined by a local here, sir, he rescued the babies here. So, sir, आप यहाँ पे कब आए और आपको कब समझ आया कि यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है और आपको आना चाहिए यहाँ?
मैं डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह शंटी, पद्मश्री, हमारी शहीद भगत सिंह सेवा दल है, एम्बुलेंस सर्विस। जैसे ही मुझे फ़ोन आया कि विस्फोट हो गए हैं, मैंने सोचा कि बम विस्फोट होगा, क्योंकि मेरा घर पास ही है। तो हम लोग 2-3 एम्बुलेंस लेके आए तो देखा तो यहाँ तो भयंकर आग थी और पूरा ये शमशान बन चुका था। और ये पता लगा कि ये जो वैन खड़ी है इसके अंदर एक्सप्लोजिव थे। एक्सप्लोजिव जो होता है यानी सिलेंडर, गैस का सिलेंडर, बड़े सिलेंडर को छोटे में कन्वर्ट किया जा रहा था और बड़े प्रेशर वाले सिलेंडर थे। खैर मैं उस बात पे बाद में आता हूँ, लेकिन जब हमें पता लगा कि बच्चे कितने अंदर, कहते 12, मैंने कहा निकालेंगे कैसे, कहते जी कोई रास्ता नहीं है। पीछे से गए, पीछे भी कोई दरवाज़ा नहीं था। हम फर्स्ट फ्लोर पर चढ़े, शीशे तोड़ के अंदर घुसे, एक एक करके बच्चों को निकालना पड़ा, क्योंकि बच्चों के बेड को भी आग लग चुकी थी। उन 12 बच्चों को मेरा बेटा ज्योत, मैं ऊपर से उतारता जा रहा था, वो लेके हॉस्पिटल जाते जा रहे थे, और जब लेके गए हॉस्पिटल में तो पता लगा कि 6 बच्चे मर चुके हैं।
इस बीच में दिल्ली फायर ब्रिगेड आई थी क्या जब आप रेस्क्यू कर रहे थे बच्चों को, आप और आपकी टीम?
बिल्कुल, फायर ब्रिगेड आ चुकी थी, वो अपना काम कर रही थी, पुलिस आ चुकी थी, वो अपना काम कर रही थी, लेकिन ये तीसरा काम था, वो था मेडिकल सर्विसेज का। उसके लिए कोई भी ऐसी गाड़ी नहीं, कैट्स वगैरह की कोई एम्बुलेंस नहीं आई थी। इवन देन 4 घंटे तक नहीं आई, जब तक हम लोग यहाँ थे। सारे बच्चों को भेज दिया, डेथ हो गई, सब कुछ हो गया, लेकिन कैट्स यहाँ पे गाड़ी नहीं आई। फायर ब्रिगेड और पुलिस आ चुकी थी। हमने अपना काम जो बनता था शहीद भगत सिंह सेवा दल का, कि बच्चों को उनको वहाँ पहुँचाना गंतव्य में।
कॉज ऑफ डेथ क्या लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पर, जब आप कल इस समय आए थे?
सांस घुटने से बच्चे मरे हैं और जलने से भी। जो 6 बच्चे मरे हैं पूरी तरह झुलसे हुए थे, और जो बचे भी हैं उनमें से भी एक आईसीयू में डालना पड़ा। उन बच्चों के भी हाथ पर जले हुए थे।
और आग लगने की क्या वजह हो सकती है यहाँ पर?
इसमें जो पहला विस्फोट हुआ है, जो सिलेंडर वो भर रहे थे, पहला सिलेंडर बिल्कुल बम की तरह अंदर गया है, अंदर जाके फटा है, उससे आग लग गई है। दूसरा ITI कॉलेज में गया है, तीसरा फाटक की तरफ गया है, चौथा B ब्लॉक की तरफ गया है। 4 सिलेंडर फटे हैं। मेन वजह ये वैन है। इस वैन के अंदर वो एक्सप्लोजिव लाए गए थे। एज पर द बाई लॉज ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट कोई भी एक्सप्लोजिव का काम करने के लिए इनको परमिशन लेनी पड़ती है, लेकिन मैं हैरान हूँ कि 150 गज के मकान में इतना बड़ा ये काम चल रहा था, जिसके ऊपर शायद कहीं कुछ नहीं था।
Thank you so much for joining us, sir. So what we understand here are very gruesome details. What the person here who rescued the babies have said that there is negligence, there was negligence on part of the officials here, as well as the medical team took a lot of time to reach here. And as he alleges, as he claims, is that the cause of the fire was because of the oxygen cylinders that did not just burst here, but also splattered and flew off after exploding to other locations, as he just mentioned. So this is what we have from this very tragic incident. 7 infants have died, and this is truly not a good scenario here.